Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing a pair of earphones. This is the Rock and Roll E5 from MIVI. Now on the front side of the packaging, we have some amount of branding as well as imagery of the product with the name. On the right hand side, we see that this was designed and engineered in India. On the left hand side, we have a little slogan. Nothing on the top. On the bottom, you have email address as well as contact information for the manufacturer. On the back end side, we have some features being clearly stated, namely that the earphones offer HD stereo sound with lossless audio. There's an emphasis on bass thanks to the drivers, and it offers an ergonomic design with snug fit. There's also mention about the warranty, but you should always check that on the Amazon listing for the product for additional details. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. So when we open the product, we see a little note regarding the warranty. It's basically an appeal that asks the customer to register to get MIVI warranty. They've even provided the procedure for doing the same. It's basically a WhatsApp number that you have to click a photo of your invoice and send it to. Then you have the earphones. And ear tips additional. Aside from that, there is no accessory or documentation inside the packaging. We have additional ear tips which are usually in large and small size. The medium ones come pre-installed on your earphones, as you can see. And we'll go ahead and dangle, or rather take off the ear little wire clip. And there you go. You can see that the cable is braided up until the control pod. After the control pod, you have normal Y cable. Obviously, you can pull this apart in case the size is not enough or the length is not enough. The cable connector seems to be angled. This is not exactly 90 degrees, but it's close. And it's not gold plated. You can see that it is a tip ring sleeve TRRS connector, 3.5 mm jack. Then on the control pod, you have a single button and a little inlet for the microphone. On the back end side, you have some branding. Then you have the earbuds. These are angled a little, as you can see, for better fit. And they're made out of plastic. So that's it for the unboxing of the MIVI Rock and Roll E5 earphones. Thank you for watching.